to jump from this ramp here all the way into that bowl. All right, tell everyone what your name is.
David.
David, all right, David. On a skateboard. First of all, drop a like on this video if you haven't already. If you haven't, then that's because you're crazy. All right, everyone needs to give David a big thumbs up. And everyone say thank you, David, because if it were not for David letting me film this video right now, we wouldn't be doing it. So today we have the TRAXXAS Slash 4x4, and we're gonna rip it a little bit. Are you excited? You ever seen one of these things drive before?
I've not up close and not like this ride.
You think it's pretty fast?
I'm imagining it's gonna do some crazy flips, I'm assuming.
I assume so. I've never brought this thing to the skate park. I actually just got it not long ago. So
fucking excited.
yeah, so we're gonna, I guess we'll let her rip. And what do they say? Let her rip, tater chip. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
Nice to see you.
that's perfect. He's being a hero up there, and he's gonna get the angle. So here we go. Oh.
I landed another one, man. Oh.
Oh, dang it. It's just a shock cap. All right, so lost a shock cap there. So we're gonna go ahead and put that back on. There she is. All right, good to go now. Good as new. I wanna see if we can get it to the other side. So I'm gonna try a little bit. I'm gonna try to be better.
Oh man, that was close. You got to do that again.
Oh.
You got to get that was like super close.
How did it land?
Like it landed just on its back, but it was in rotation. A little bit more and it would have had it.
Oh no, dang it. Oh, that's right again. I'm sorry. Oh my God.
Dude, landed it.
Oh my gosh, is it okay? Seriously?
Yeah, man, that was a land right there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's pretty cool. Here, you want to stand right over there? Stand right over there.
Sure, dog.
Yeah. Heads up.
Hey, all good to go. Yeah.
All right, guys, this thing is freaking nuts, okay? It's literally indestructible, apparently. So we're gonna give it one more jump. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make it from this ramp here all the way into that bowl. And so I want you to go ahead and, first of all, drop a like on this video if you haven't already. If you haven't, then that's because you're crazy. And also comment whether you think we're gonna be able to do it or not. So let me know yes or no in the comments if you think we're gonna be able to do it. Yes or no? Okay. Can't see it. Here we go. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, didn't quite make it. Oh, we broke something.
Yeah, he's trying to jump it in the hole.
Uh-oh. That's bad news. Drive shaft. Bent it. Bent the center drive shaft there. That's all right. Oh, that didn't fix it. Let's try one more. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh, it's adding up. All right, well guys. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We love every single one of you. Thank you so much for liking the video, sharing the video. Thank you for subscribing. We appreciate you guys. We love you guys. And we will see you in the next video. All right, later. Justin Bieber in the house. All right, all right. Oh God.